Hello, I have an interactive challenge for you. It's called the Rubik's Cube Interactive Challenge. You think you could beat me at solving a Rubik's Cube, huh? Well, I bet some of you can out there. Now get out your Rubik's Cube, have someone scramble it, and watch, I'll even scramble it for you. I can't remember this back. I don't know how I got a memory. See? Pretty scrambled. Now for this, you're going to have to use algorithms. You can't use your own special, cool way. Well, you can, but I'm not going to include you. So, yeah, so get set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! So, that was like a minute something, a minute 20, minute 30. Good job. If you beat me, you'd probably already be at one of the other videos. If you did not beat me, you epic failed. And, go to Dan Brown's video. It's kind of easy, just type in how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and you'll find it. And, yeah.